everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing for you guys featuring a brand new print from You C'est Petite Vienna and Tokidoki. I have in here something that I actually haven't even seen yet, so I'm super excited to show you guys a first look at this particular print. So let's go ahead and get started. I also did want to mention that You C'est Petite Vienna always sends me a little something extra to share with my followers. So part of this video is an unboxing and first impressions, and the rest of the video is a giveaway. So hang in there to the end, and you guys can find out how to enter to win. Here we go. Okay, so she put them faced in together, so I can't actually see what they look like yet. So here we go. I have to actually open it all the way to see. Alright, there are 3 different boxes here. I'm excited to see what all's here. Alright, I'm gonna look at the mini first. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Oh, I thought it was just gonna be like the Donatella print where it was just mozzarella, but it's like, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have got to show you guys this, and I'm actually going to put some wipes in here too so you guys can see the print a lot better, because once you put wipes in, it's not translucent anymore and you can actually see what the print looks like. Okay, so I have 2 essential sets here, and I have 1 pack of Wipouch minis. So I'm gonna have to think about this before I go to the end of the video. I'm going to be giving away a set of these, so whoever enters to win, you're gonna love these. They are so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some wipes in here real quick, and then I can show you guys what the print looks like up close. So here is the print, you guys. Isn't it super cute? You have mozzarella here, 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 and here on the very front. You don't have to worry about print placement with Wipouch because they are all the same, so that helps a lot. So this particular one, this is the Wipouch 30, has the print on the very front as well as on the back. And you have the blue label for the Tokidoki Wipouch collaboration. The print on the back shows you a little bit better what it looks like. So you have mozzarella, you have latte, you have soya milk, strawberry milk, half and half. You've got the kitty cow, you've got everybody that has to do with milk from the Tokidoki range. So I absolutely love it. It is adorable. And I just think these look so cute, and they will match with a ton of different bag prints and styles from Jujube and many other brands as well. So here is the Wipouch 30, and this is how it works. Open it up like this. Your wipes come right out through the top here. And that's how it works. So I love Wipouch. These are so convenient and they look so cute in your diaper bags. And I love that they have the detachable strap, so you can use this on your stroller, you can use this around your wrist. You can also use the Wipouch without it, and it fits really well in diaper bag pouches that way. So I use them all over my house. I love them so much. So that is the Wipouch 30, and then I also have the Wipouch mini here. Isn't this absolutely adorable? So cute. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use these for face wipes, you can use them for face and hand wipes for babies. I like to use them for my makeup remover wipes because it's perfect for that, especially for travel. So aren't these just so cute? I love these so much. Now let's talk about that giveaway. So let's talk about the giveaway. As I mentioned, I'm going to be giving away one of the Wipouch minis, and I'm also giving away an essential set. And the essential set has a Wipouch 30 and a Wipouch 60 in it. So you can fit in 30 wipes into one and 60 wipes into another one. And the mini is perfect for face wipes and things like that. I use them all the time and love them. So you'll be pretty much winning this, and it's such an awesome set. So thank you, You C'est Petite Vienna, for sending that over. Now, here are the rules. The very first rule is you must be a subscriber to enter into this giveaway. So make sure you click that subscribe button up there so you can participate. Also, I need you to give this video a big thumbs up to show me you're excited about this giveaway. And this giveaway is open worldwide, so all of my subscribers can enter to win. The next thing you need to do is click that Gleam link down in the description box below, and that will send you guys right over to the giveaway page, and you can enter up to a bunch of different ways by following me and St. Petite Vienna on our social media pages. This giveaway starts today and it ends on the 18th of January, and that is actually when this print releases. So whoever wins, you should know the day of release so you don't actually have to go order your own. I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab, so make sure you guys are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on, because that is how the winner will be notified, as well as everybody else. So I hope you guys are as excited as me about this giveaway. This is the first giveaway on my channel this year, so I'm super excited about it. But the rest of the rules and details on this giveaway, make sure you look in the description below, because that is where they will be. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.